Year's Eve, Norwegian Memorial. Goodbye, 2011. It was the best of times, it was the worst of times.
Getting down tonight. I feel like telling the truth tonight. I want to know if anybody out there wants to hear about my baby. Thank you. Thank you.
Now here's a good song. This is called Lucy Was in Trouble. By the little old band from Macon, Georgia. Wet Willie.
One day I was driving way down a dusty road. Lucy was hitchhiking, just carrying her load. She looked so down and lonesome, it hurt me deep inside. I just had to stop there, give that girl a ride. She'd been to see her mama, sweet mama, to see what she could do. Mama, she was singing down in Bethlehem. Oh, Lucy was in trouble.
Well, that's enough Norwegian Memorial New Year's Eve Yule log. Bye now.